Welcome to 7boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called the Open Graph. Now Open Graph is a set of rules defined first by Facebook so that whenever you are sharing a link as a status update on your timeline, a rich snippet of your web page would come in your timeline whenever you are sharing just a link. So the formatting of this link into a rich object is called Open Graph. So take an example. So first we get the definition here. Open Graph is a protocol which is used to integrate any web page into the social graph. For example, Facebook can be a social graph. So rather you focus on this. The Open Graph protocol enables any web page to become a rich object in a social graph. Example, I share here just this link http www.7boats.com and then I give a space. Now you see automatically an image along with the name and a description part along with the website's URL is coming here. So whenever you post it, your friends, they would see a rich snippet of the particular link that you have shared. What is the benefit of Open Graph? It would help to spread your message, to spread your link in a better way. Suppose I have 5 friends. If I have shared only www.7boats.com, nobody would understand what is this all about. Now if I share this thing, automatically people would understand that okay, 7boats is a digital marketing company, so they have clients in this, and along with the image. So similar example, if we again check with Yahoo, so we write here say http yahoo.com. now automatically you see with the Yahoo logo, the Yahoo name and the description part is coming. So this is called Open Graph. Now how to implement this thing? Open Graph, if you are developing your website other than WordPress platform, your developer, they should code it. Now how the code looks like? So we open with 7boats.com. so if you go to the source code, now you see the first line here. So we search with OG. Now you see this is the first line, ogp.me/nsfb. so this part, and this is at the very top area. You have to put this after just opening HTML, and you see this meta properties here, all this OG up to this part, up to this. So this is your Open Graph protocol. So every page in your head tag you have to put this Open Graph property like title, description, site name, URL, image and language. So you have to put it along with the main heading file, this one. So this is called the Open Graph coding. Now for a WordPress website you don't have to hard code this thing. So if you are using with Yoast SEO plugin, Yoast SEO WordPress plugin, you see here the social part, you click here in the social part and you can see the option of Open Graph there. So we are opening with the social part here. So click on here. So it is opened. Now you see here you have to put your Facebook page URLs, Twitter URLs like this. You have to create your account and share the URL here, and then you go to Facebook, you click on add Open Graph metadata, and you can by default you can put the image, the title and the description part, or else by default it would be taken from your home page. The same way you can see here, the same way from for Yahoo, it is coming like this way, the image, the title, the description part. So the same thing you have to put here, the image, URL, title and description part, and click on this add Opengraph metadata, and then you have to save changes. So this is from Yoast SEO WordPress plugin. You can set your Opengraph metadata. The same is true for Twitter. So Twitter, we call it Twitter card metadata, and again for Google Plus we can see Google Plus metadata. So Twitter metadata, Google Plus metadata, LinkedIn or Facebook, these are all called the Opengraph metadata, and it is called meta because you have to put it in your head area, in between your opening head tag and closing head tag, and it would look like this as a reach object. Any link will be shown as a reach object here, so that is called Opengraph. Thank you.